In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move items from your Amazon cart to a wish list. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to managing your online orders, using Amazon's wishlist feature can help organize potential purchases for later, a handy tool when you're planning for gifts, budgeting, or just want to watch how the price fluctuates. So let's dive in and simplify this process together. First, you'll need to head over to Amazon's website. Open your favorite web browser and type in Amazon.com, or go to the specific Amazon site that corresponds to your location, like Amazon.ae if you're in the UAE. Once the web page loads, make sure you're signed in to your Amazon account. Having access to all features like saving items requires you to be logged in. Now that you're on the website, it's time to make your way to the cart. Look for the cart icon, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and this will take you to a page showing all the items you've added but haven't bought yet. It's the one-stop spot for your pre-purchase decision making. Once you're in the cart, navigate to the item you want to save for later. With Amazon's interface, you should see a Save for Later option just beside or underneath the item. By clicking on Save for Later, the item is removed from your list of items to purchase now, but doesn't go away entirely. This feature is great for when you know you want something eventually but not immediately. But what if you want to organize these items further? Enter the wish list. To move your saved items to a wish list, head back to the top navigation bar and find your lists. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear showing all your created wish lists. If you haven't created one yet, it's super simple. Just follow the prompt to create a list, give it a name, and you're ready to go. To add your saved items to a specific wish list, go back to the Save for Later section, and next to the item you should see an option to Move to List, or something similar. Click that, choose the wish list you want, and voila! It's organized for future browsing. Using wish lists not only declutters your cart, but can also help in managing future purchases. Plus, you can share these lists with family and friends when they ask you what you want for your birthday or the holidays. So, there you have it, a straightforward way to manage potential purchases with a few clicks. By using the wishlist feature, you're not just organizing your buying habits, you're also enhancing your shopping experience. Happy shopping, and remember, keeping your purchases organized can make shopping less of a chore and more of an enjoyable process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.